Hello there, and welcome back to our instructional documentation for our CPaaS platform. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to send voice campaigns from scratch. Let's start. Go to the Create Campaigns section in the main menu. Select the voice subcategory, and then the bulk voice option. The initial slot on this window prompts you to select a template. If you have a specific template in mind, go ahead and choose it. If not, simply leave the slot as is, and move on to the next step. Select the account from which you will be sending out this campaign. And pick a name for this campaign. Opt for a unique and distinctive name, as it will simplify things for you in the future. On the right-hand side, you'll find the Send Now option. Select this if you want to send the campaign immediately. If you prefer to schedule it for later, click on the Schedule option. If you choose to schedule your campaign, you'll see a phase option. To begin, specify the percentage of messages you want to send on the dates and times you'll specify later. If you intend to send 100% of the messages at the same time, simply select the date and time. Note that when you set the time, you must press OK to confirm the time settings. If you plan to divide your campaign into multiple delivery times, begin by specifying the percentage of messages you want to send during the first stage. Enter the percentage, then set the date and time. Click the plus sign button to the right to repeat the same process. Continue doing this until you've allocated the entire 100% of messages you intend to send. Click Next. In the Contacts section, the first slot features a scroll-down menu. This option is relevant only if you've uploaded a contact list beforehand. If you haven't, do not make any changes here, and proceed to the bottom box. Important to note, if you're working with a template, leave this option unchanged. Templates are connected to specific contact lists. Altering this may remove the template from your campaign creation process. If you don't have a contact list yet, you can download it by clicking on Download the .csv template heading. Before proceeding, please ensure you've filled out the spreadsheet. It's crucial to correctly categorize each column and populate all of them with information. If any column is left empty, the platform will not allow you to upload your file. To upload the file, you can either click on the purple icon within the Upload Your File box, or directly drag and drop the file into the same space. You'll know the file has been successfully uploaded when its information appears inside the dotted rectangle. Navigate to the right-hand side of the screen under the phone header. Select the option where you have stored the mobile phone numbers. Proceed to choose the wildcards that you will be using in your campaign's content. Click Next. Enter the sender ID that will be sent along with your message. Please be aware that some country regulations may restrict the personalization of this information. If you are not using a template, begin crafting your message by typing in the content you want to send. If you need wildcards, you'll find them right under the message slot. To use them, just click on the wildcard you want, and it will be automatically included in your message. In the voice language category, you can select the type of voice and language for your campaign's message. To hear your message, simply click on the Preview button. This will also update your message information, like the number of characters you are using, and the audio time. Enter a phone number with the country and area code in the mobile number slot. Click Verify Cost to confirm the country where the message will be sent. Once you've done this, the Send button will become active. Click here to send your test voice call. It's the final step to ensure your message is ready to go. Click Next. You have reached the campaign summary page. Here you can see the countries where you'll be sending your campaign, along with other important information, such as campaign costs and dates of delivery. If everything looks good, click Done, then confirm your actions by clicking Generate in the pop-up window. A pop-up window in the bottom left-hand corner will confirm that everything was successful. And that is it for now. We hope you have found this tutorial useful. Thank you for choosing our CPaaS platform. Have a fantastic day.